for the good old CPs. You see that? You know, most kills, feels deaths. Most kills, longest kill streak. CPs all day. It's a middle. Right? Let's go on to the next one. Look at that. That's a remarkable improvement for me. But the best thing is, these niggas are swag. But let's see. That says, what? T.I. the King. Ooh. Any points? For the girls. 8 deaths. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Again, and that's 40. Look at the difference from my team. Look. Ooh. Look. Niggas is whack. Yeah, niggas go. Because as my boy Bob would say, I run this lobby.